Hello and welcome to another episode of Scartified Engineering. I'm Spiritus, and if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode we will continue with the brackets. And since I did damage the bends a bit, I need to do some welding, but I anyway had to do some welding. And by the way, I will cut in a scene where I tested the boost solenoid and the ethanol content sensor on the brackets at home. So have a quick look at that. Here we have the ethanol content sensor and it's fitting quite nicely. I need to adjust the holes a little bit. That will be good. And the boost solenoid sensor bracket, of course I bent it in the wrong direction as I initially thought. So but it works anyway. The lower hole does not line up because we have a gap below the solenoid, but that's okay. I can adjust it a little bit. Okay, so they fit somewhat good. The boost solenoid bracket is bent in the opposite direction, but it works. So yeah, we have a rule here in the garage that if you do let's say welding, then you need to stay 1 hour after you've finished, just to make sure that there's no fire going on. So I will try and get the welding stuff sorted as soon as possible so that I will be able to go home tonight. So I will change clothes and bring out the welding machine. Here is the heat shield or protecting shield that goes over the steering stuff. So my ethanol content sensor will be placed something like this. So on this end it works fine. On this end, let's see, it's hard to see, but the holes does not line up. So I will need to move the hole a bit, and I think I will move the bend and then weld and cut so that it works. A friend let me use his TIG, so I will try it out. I have my own gas, but the machine comes with the pedal and also the TIG burner. So the electrode is quite big, 2.4 millimeters. But yeah, we will see how it goes. They haven't had much luck with it, but I guess this is your normal Chinese TIG welder that you can get off AliExpress or eBay or even Amazon. So we have it set up now for DC and pedal. So let's see how it goes. So as it turns out, it seems like when I'm using the foot pedal, I'm not getting any adjustability, I'm just getting full power. But steel, aluminum. So when I switched and used the current control on the machine, on the panel instead, then I was able to regulate the current. So yeah, I think it will work fine. The only thing is when you switch here, then you also need to switch this one. Otherwise you don't have any connection for the button on the burner. But, yeah, it's I'm surprised. The bad thing though is that this one has a normal gas nozzle. I thought that I could use my own gas lens, but it's the wrong thread. So this is not, yeah, I'm not sure what kind of burner this is. But it will have to do for now. So I didn't really get along that well with the welding machine. I would have done a lot better with the MIG. But I will grind it down and make it pretty, and then Sid will do some sandblasting. So, and I still need to adjust the hole, but yeah, it's getting there. But now my welding gas is out as well. So that's it for this episode. The brackets are at least maybe getting some progress. We will see. I will have to continue on them the next time I'm here. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.